Kids English New International Edition of Java Publisher has been developed according to the single national curriculum through a uniform scheme of concepts. The textbook has been designed considering the set of 3 hierarchical models of Bloom taxonomy. In the textbook, each chapter analyzes the following segments: reading comprehension, oral communication, language focus, writing skills and activity. This segment of reading comprehension focuses on the students' learning ability, and it involves them in analytical thinking to give answers. The segment of oral communication helps the students to communicate their ideas both orally and in written forms. The segment of language focus improves grammar and enhances language skills. The segment of writing skills is designed to think and write critically on the desired subjects. The segment of activity highlights the cognitive learning skills. The textbook has been designed in accordance with the contributing resource to the acquisition of SLOs, primary to the tools for formative and summative evaluation. Moreover, the textbook includes the review exercises for the improvement of the students' language skills, that is, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. On the other hand, learning the second language helps to expose a wide range of cultural, intellectual, and social situations which can result to build coherence in a multicultural society. The themes and sub-themes. The English textbook is meant to teach ethical and social development through its themes and sub-themes given in the chapters. They promote ethical values covering the subjects of ideological attributes such as Islamic and religious values, respect for international values, equality and equity between groups and nations, respect for self and others, patience and tolerance, making friends, sharing and generosity, learning to live together in a multicultural society. The themes and the sub-themes are helping hand to teach the students about the diversity of cultures, languages and religion, global citizenship and gender equality. You will get resource material with QR code scan videos, lectures, keybooks, lesson planner, test generator. Thank you for watching.